In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your C drive is full for no reason in Windows 11. So if your C drive is full, but you don't have any files to delete, or it's just full for no reason, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is go and open up your Start menu and then just search for Disk Cleanup and click on this option here. You then need to go and check the boxes next to all of these different options, and right at the bottom it will tell you how much disk space you're going to gain. So once you've checked everything, go and click on OK and then click on Delete Files. Now once you've done that, go and open up your Start menu again and click on Settings. In the left hand side, select System and then scroll down and click on Storage. Make sure Storage Sense is turned on like this, and then go and click on Cleanup Recommendations. Now click on See Advanced Options, and once again you need to go and check all of these different options. Now once you've selected everything like this, then go up to the top and click on Remove Files and click on Continue. Now once you've done that, open up the Start menu, search for Create a Restore Point and click on this window here. You can then click on your C drive like so, and click on Configure. You'll then need to click on this option, Delete all restore points for this drive, click on the Delete button, and then go and press Continue. Now once you've done this, you can check to see if your C drive now has storage space. If your C drive is still full and you see multiple different drives in this folder, then there's one more thing we need to do. So open up the Start menu, search for the word partition and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Now from this window here, obviously you're going to see your C drive, which is your main drive, but you may also see some other drives such as a D drive or an E drive, and this could be the reason why your C drive is running out of space. So if you do have any additional drives here such as the D drive and you don't use this drive, so you can see that if I go and open up my computer, I have these two drives, but I don't actually have any data on either of these. So what we can do is actually go and delete these additional drives and give the space to the C drive. Now to do this, I'm just going to right click on the D drive and then click on Delete Volume. You can then press Yes, and before doing this, obviously make sure there's no data or files on the D drive that you want to keep. Now you should end up with this unallocated space. So you can see that I have 48 gigabytes here and I also have 400 gigabytes over here. So now we can go and give this space to the C drive. So right click on the C drive and click on Extend Volume, click on Next, click on Next again and click on Finish. Now once you've done this, we're just going to right click on the C drive again, and if you have the option to extend volume, click on this, click on Next, and just press Next again and click on Finish. As you can see, all of that unallocated space is now on our C drive. So you can head back over to your computer and hopefully that should have fixed the C drive full issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.